Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make my ultimate lasagna recipe. Did you make your own ricotta? If so, you can use the whey to boil the pasta. And if you are using the store-bought ricotta, that's okay. Just use water to boil your pasta. You will be needing at least 4 liters of liquid. Then we drain and set aside. I prepare my own Italian seasoning, but you can also use the pre-mixed ones. This is 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of oregano. Then we have 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of marjoram. For our ingredients, we have the following: Italian seasoning, one kilo of ground beef. This is chilled, and before using it, we will drain all the liquid out. One liter of spaghetti sauce, Italian style. Tomato paste. Olive oil. 1 big can of crushed tomatoes. 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 heads of onion diced, preferably fresh basil, but I was not able to get some. So I will be using my frozen basil. So how do I freeze my basil? So I just soak them in olive oil, ziplock, and freeze them. 1/4 cup grated cheddar cheese. We heat our pan and add our olive oil. Then add our butter. To this, we add our onions. When our onions are translucent, we add our garlic. Then we add our ground beef. We have to brown our beef first before adding our sauces. To our brown beef, we will add our Italian seasoning. Then we add our sauces. So we just mixed. Then we let this simmer. Then we add our basil. I opted to add them whole, but you can cut them into pieces. Then we add our cheddar cheese. Followed by our sugar. Mix and then let it simmer to reduce our sauce. And because our sauce is thick, we will limit our tomato paste to 2 tablespoons. You can add more if need be. Season with salt. So now we set this meat sauce aside and start assembling. This is the ricotta that I have previously made. So I will be getting 1 cup, half of our yield. To it, we will add sour cream. I want the ricotta to have a crumbly texture. I will be making 2 squares instead of 1 big rectangular. For our layers, we have our lasagna, our grated cheese, our mozzarella, our sour cream with ricotta, and our meat sauce. For our first layer, we have our sauce. Get as little meat as possible. This is done so that our noodles won't adhere to our pan. Then we will layer our noodles. For the gaps, you can cut to size. Again, we layer with meat sauce. So we add our sour cream. Portion it to the number of slices that you will do. To the gaps, I will be adding cheddar cheese. Again, we layer with our noodles. Meat sauce. Again, our sour cream and ricotta. Again, your grated cheese. Again, our noodles. Our meat sauce. Then our ricotta. Then we will cover this with mozzarella slices. Again, for gaps, we will just cut to size. For our last layer, again, our noodles. Then our sour cream and ricotta mixture. And then our meat sauce. Into the oven for 20 minutes at 350. If you have the rectangular pan, it's for 30 minutes. See how beautiful the side is? Then the color contrast of the ricotta against your meat sauce. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.